Are you a beginner woodworker looking for budget-friendly woodworking project ideas? Then consider making small woodworking project ideas which are suitable for beginners. Embarking on the journey of woodworking as a beginner offers a host of benefits, particularly when focusing on small projects. These manageable undertakings not only provide a practical way to learn the craft, but also foster creativity, build skills, and enhance personal satisfaction. Engaging in small woodworking projects enables novices to experience the joys and rewards of woodworking without the overwhelming challenges often associated with larger builds. One of the primary advantages of starting with small woodworking projects is the opportunity to develop foundational skills. Beginners can learn essential techniques such as measuring, cutting, sanding, and joining wood without the pressure of complex designs. By starting small, novice woodworkers can focus on mastering each technique, allowing them to build confidence in their abilities. This gradual progression is crucial as it lays the groundwork for tackling more intricate projects in the future. As skills improve, beginners can gradually take on more challenging tasks, leading to a sense of accomplishment and growth. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of budget-friendly small woodworking project ideas for beginners. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Additionally, small woodworking projects provide a low-risk environment for experimentation. Beginners often have a wealth of ideas but may hesitate to execute them due to fear of failure. By working on smaller pieces, woodworkers can experiment with different methods and materials without investing significant time or resources. This freedom encourages creativity and innovation, allowing novices to discover their style and preferences. The ability to make mistakes and learn from them is a vital part of the learning process, and small projects facilitate this exploration. Another benefit of focusing on small projects is the quick turnaround time. Unlike larger builds that can take weeks or even months to complete, small woodworking projects can often be finished in a single weekend or even a day. This immediate sense of accomplishment can be incredibly motivating for beginners. Completing a project quickly not only boosts confidence, but also reinforces the idea that woodworking is an enjoyable and rewarding activity. The satisfaction derived from seeing a finished piece can propel novices to continue pursuing their craft, fostering a positive cycle of learning and creation. Engaging in small woodworking projects also allows beginners to explore different styles and techniques. The variety of projects available, ranging from simple decor items to practical tools, provides an excellent opportunity to experiment with various design principles. This exploration helps novices understand the nuances of woodworking, such as grain direction, wood selection, and finishing techniques. By trying out different approaches, beginners can discover what resonates with them, enhancing their personal connection to the craft and paving the way for future projects that reflect their individual style. Moreover, small projects often require fewer materials, making them more budget-friendly for beginners. This financial accessibility reduces the pressure on novice woodworkers, allowing them to explore their interests without a significant investment. Beginners can source materials easily, often using scraps or reclaimed wood for their projects. This not only minimizes waste, but also encourages sustainability, as novices learn to appreciate the value of materials and the importance of responsible sourcing. The ability to create without breaking the bank fosters a sense of freedom and creativity that can be incredibly rewarding. The physical benefits of woodworking should not be overlooked. Engaging in small projects encourages movement and physical activity, which can be particularly beneficial for individuals with sedentary lifestyles. The act of measuring, cutting, and assembling wood involves various movements that promote strength, coordination, and fine motor skills. As beginners work with their hands, they develop a greater awareness of their bodies and enhance their dexterity. This physical engagement can be invigorating, contributing to overall well-being and promoting a healthier lifestyle. In addition to physical benefits, woodworking serves as a mental escape from daily stresses. The focus required in crafting allows individuals to immerse themselves in the creative process, promoting mindfulness and relaxation. The rhythmic actions of sanding, shaping, and assembling can have a meditative quality, enabling novices to enter a state of flow where they are fully present in the moment. This immersion can lead to reduced anxiety and improved mental well-being, making woodworking a productive way to unwind and recharge. The emotional rewards associated with completing small woodworking projects are profound. Each finished piece represents a tangible manifestation of effort, creativity, and skill. This sense of accomplishment can significantly boost self-esteem and foster a positive self-image. For many beginners, seeing their ideas come to life provides an unparalleled sense of fulfillment. This emotional connection to their work enhances the overall experience of woodworking, reinforcing the notion that it is not merely a hobby, but a meaningful pursuit. As beginners engage in small projects, they often find a sense of community and connection. Participating in local workshops, classes, or online woodworking forums allows novices to interact with others who share their passion. These connections can lead to friendships, mentorships, and collaborations that enhance the overall experience of woodworking. Sharing knowledge and techniques with others fosters a supportive environment that encourages growth and creativity. This sense of belonging can be particularly beneficial for beginners, as it provides a network of encouragement and inspiration. Moreover, completing small woodworking projects can lead to opportunities for personal expression. Each piece crafted allows beginners to infuse their personality and style into their work. This creative outlet is essential for self-discovery, as individuals explore what resonates with them and develop their unique artistic voice. The ability to create items that reflect one's identity fosters a deeper connection to the craft, encouraging novices to continue exploring their creativity. The potential for small woodworking projects to serve as gifts is another appealing aspect for beginners. Handmade items carry a personal touch that store-bought products often lack. Crafting gifts for friends and family not only strengthens relationships, but also allows beginners to share their passion with loved ones. This act of giving can enhance the emotional rewards of woodworking, as artisans witness the joy their creations bring to others. The positive feedback received can further motivate novices to continue honing their skills and pursuing new projects. Additionally, the act of woodworking encourages a mindset of patience and perseverance. Beginners may encounter challenges and setbacks as they learn, whether it's a miscalculation in measurements or a difficult joinery technique. Navigating these obstacles teaches individuals the importance of patience and the value of persistence. Developing these qualities is essential not only in woodworking but also in life, as they help individuals approach challenges with resilience and determination. The ability to overcome difficulties fosters a sense of accomplishment that enhances self-confidence. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked budget-friendly small woodworking project ideas for beginners. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.